Hey guys, just want to talk to you about this great movie, Band of Brothers, a Golden Globe winner. Fantastic. This is a box set. It comes in a nice metal tin, as you can see here. Fantastic quality. Just beautifully done. All the information is inside here. There's pamphlets. All the CDs are in, actually DVDs. All the DVDs are in here. Probably one of the best movies out there as far as I love it. It has 10 episodes, over 10 hours, and there's 6 discs in here, as well as some bonus features, including all kinds of documentary, also behind the scenes, 30 minutes of making behind Band of Brothers, all kinds of really cool behind the scenes information and in this set here. Again, it's a box set. It's high quality. I love the tin. I love the presentation is fantastic. And if you're looking for a great movie with Tom Hanks and Steven Spielberg, just a fantastic director, as we all know. So again, Golden Globe winner, Band of Brothers. You can't go wrong with this. Definitely highly recommend this. High quality, beautiful presentation, and also a great movie. So I appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed it, and definitely pick this up. Definitely recommend if you like the type of movie. It's always good to have the hard copy. Everybody's streaming everything, but it's always nice to have it in your hand so you don't have to search, find it, just pop it in your DVD player, and you're good to go. Fantastic, and I absolutely love it. Band of Brothers is the way to go. Thanks for watching, and thank you to all the veterans who served. We appreciate you. We really do.